I wanted to make this video for a while. I'm currently rebuilding a 6.9 in my truck, and I had a powerstroke, a 7.3 powerstroke at one point. People online have talked about using the 7.3 powerstroke oil cooler on their IDI, and I'm going to have to tell you guys, unfortunately, it's not going to work. If we line up these flanges here, and this is the oil cooler that was out of it, this is the one out of the powerstroke, and we come up here, it's not a huge difference, but the powerstroke is longer, but more importantly, if we look at the flange difference here, you'll see that the powerstroke sticks out maybe about another 3/16, maybe a quarter of an inch. And same thing up here, it sticks out. So I don't believe the powerstroke oil cooler would work. That being said, you know what, we can check that really quick right now. See if the diameters are the same. Yeah, the powerstroke diameter is larger than the IDI by just a hair. So, while that could be corrected with slightly different sized O-rings, and it might not even matter depending on O-ring squish, you're not going to put a powerstroke oil cooler inside of an IDI. And just to be really, really thorough to see, because obviously the powerstroke is a larger cooler. I don't even think there's more tubes in the powerstroke. The fin density might be different. I'd have to cut one of these open, and I don't want to do that because they're both good coolers. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. You've got 27 copper tubes in each of them. The powerstroke cooler is only a teeny tiny bit longer. At face value, unless there's more fin density, which, okay, you know what, the powerstroke does have greater fin density. That is obvious. I guess in theory, if one were to cut this down, they could do it. But you'd be cutting this section of the cooler to fit. Now, I have heard that the IDI Turbo, the 93 to 94 and a half Turbo, has more dense fins like the powerstroke. Although I can't confirm that because I've never seen an oil cooler off one of those engines. If anybody has one, if they want to send it out here, I can actually go ahead. I know a guy with another powerstroke that's dead. We can cut his oil cooler apart. I've got a couple IDI oil coolers. We can cut all three of them apart. We can open it up, count fin density, or we just, look at the port because, yeah, that's a night and day difference. But we can see what fin density looks like. And that's where that stands.